Good morning, my name is Brian McAllister. I am the project consultant for Macrosphere, and today I am running through the setup procedure of a Frontrow Juno system. So firstly, congratulations on the purchase of your Frontrow Juno system. And what we do basically at the start of when you receive your system is to take the unit out of the box. So as you will see, we have a speaker, there is a power cord and a power supply. So simply plug in the power cord and the power supply to your GPO on the wall, and this will plug into the base of the Juno tower. So now we have the speaker plugged in, we take the teacher's microphone out of the box. Now we will need to insert the lithium battery into this microphone, and simply that's with your supplied screwdriver. You take the back battery cover off, insert the battery, and as you will see, we have power to the microphone. For charging the microphone, we can charge via the USB output on the Juno tower. We can also charge the Juno microphones via a drop-in charger. If we have a USB power supply, using the supplied micro USB charging cable, we can charge the microphones via this way. So to adjust the volume on our Frontrow Juno speaker, you will notice on the front LED display, at the moment the volume is set to 12. To increase or decrease the volume, we simply just use our arrow up or arrow down buttons. Placement of the speaker is very important. It should be at ear level for students, so on a table or a desk, and normally at the front or the middle of the classroom. We also have Bluetooth connectivity. On the back of the Juno tower there is a Bluetooth pairing button. To simply pair your device, whether it be a smartphone or an iPad, your laptop, you simply just press the Bluetooth pair button to pair that device. This will allow you to then stream any audio from that device through the Frontrow Juno speaker for all students to hear. OptiVoice is an inbuilt 12-band equalizer which will change the tone and the pitch of the teacher's voice. To change the OptiVoice feature on the Juno tower, press the Wi-Fi signal, which is OptiVoice. You have the option of switching between low, medium or high. You then push the home button to go back to the main screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact Macrosphere. My name is Brian. My contact details are on our website. Thank you.